In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arclight camo here on the AK-47 in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, equip that AK-47 and go into your gunsmith, go up to the customize tab and then hit camo, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do is select this multiplayer camo section to see all of the challenges that you need to go ahead and complete. Now, in order to do this, you're going to need to at least have Shattered Gold here on the AK-27, and on top of that, you do need to make sure that you have Shattered Gold on all of the other assault rifles here in Black Ops 7, or at least 6 assault rifles, assuming that there are more coming in the future with DLCs. After you go ahead and get Shattered Gold on all of the previous assault rifles, or at least 6 assault rifles, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is get 10 double kills with the AK-27. Now, taking a quick step back, if you do want a guide on how to get Shattered Gold on the AK-27, I have a full guide breaking down that process, including the best strategies and more. And that goes for every single weapon here in the game as well. So make sure to check that out. But to actually get double kills, the strategy is essentially just playing objective-based game modes like Hardpoint in particular. And essentially just wait for people to go ahead and go into that hardpoint, play aggressive, and kill 2 of them. And that is essentially a double kill. Now, you do have to kill them pretty quickly in order to get that, but it's actually pretty easy to get double kills here in this game just because the elimination system is so strange. Like, you just got to shoot them a few times, and that's going to count as an elim. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.